Ciao! Today I'm going to give you a quick 60-second guide on how to order delicious Italian snacks. First of all, let's have a look at some snacks and how we say them in Italian. Un panino, bruschetta, pizza al taglio, un tramezzino, una focaccia, un toast, un'insalata caprese, una fetta di torta. Now that we've mastered some of the typical Italian snacks that you can buy, let's have a look at ways that you can ask for them at the Italian cafe. Vorrei una pizza. I would like a pizza. Prendo una pizza. I'll take pizza. Posso avere una pizza? Can I have a pizza? Don't forget to ask recommendations. Locals often know the best dishes, and if you're feeling adventurous, why not try something new? Buon appetito!